Okay, so here's the SwiftJet. I've got it on E. It's also putting out a lot of chemicals, and with both of them, now that I want to rinse the car, I just push that back, and now I can have a water hose that I can just rinse now. And when I want to put the suds on, now, okay, so we still have to scrub the car. The car wash cannon the dirt's not gonna just fall off. We still have to scrub. So you wanna get in there and still scrub. And now when we rinse, okay, so you can see this had still has some dirt on it. This was just the car wash cannon. Here's where I actually scrubbed, and it actually did a good job. So the car wash cannon is a great way to apply your soap. You're not going to use a lot of soap, but you're going to be able to get your whole car nice and sudsy and clean. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.